Good morning, everybody. Right off the bat, see the haziness, the sort of blurry effect? My camera just started doing that. It's an Android phone, by the way. It always had the greatest picture, and for some odd reason, it's got this blurry effect. I can't figure it out. So that's kind of driving me nuts because I like to do videos and take pictures, but now the quality just suddenly went, I don't get it. There's got to be a setting. I went through everything. So if any of you have any ideas on what it could be, how I can fix it, please let me know. Drop a comment or something. And in the meantime, I'm going to get my breakfast going. God, that blurriness is driving me crazy. Anyway, TomBerkenmeyer.com is my website, just like it's spelled here on social media, TomBerkenmeyer.com. Oh boy, just woke up. I was so tired when I went to bed last night, man. Oh my goodness, and I'm not really sure why, but I was. So I've slept in. It's about 7 o'clock, which for me is sleeping in. I guess in a way I sleep in every morning because I don't wake up by an alarm clock or anything. I always wake up naturally, so I guess I sleep in every day. I've never forcibly woken up ever. I guess when I fired my boss, I fired my alarm clock as well. How would you like to fire your alarm clock? I bet you'd love that. Gonna add some raw oatmeal to this one. Cinnamon bark oil, 1 drop. Some cayenne pepper for heat, because I love heat. Some raw oatmeal, because it's starch resistant when it's raw. Hi, Donna. And starch resistant is wonderful. If you don't eat like you're a diabetic, you will become one, my friend Goldie says. I believe her. What's going on, Donna? Good morning. Again, if anybody has any ideas as to why my camera is suddenly blurry and how I could fix it, please let me know. I went through all the settings. I don't see anything that's corrected it. It's the weirdest thing. One day it was fine, the next day everything is blurry. And yes, I've wiped off the lens. The lens is totally clean. It's something inside. I don't know if it's the app or who knows. It's the weirdest thing. Hi, Lori. Hi, Nancy. I love frozen pineapple chunks in my breakfast smoothies. They're so freaking delicious. It doesn't have to be a breakfast one. It could be lunch, dinner, any time of day. Just in a superfood shake or a smoothie. I love frozen pineapple chunks. They're so good. Hi, Alicia. Good morning. Dorky little hat on today. So far, nobody has any ideas on how to fix the blurriness to my camera. I mean, do you see what I'm talking about? For those of you that have seen my pictures and videos before, it's always clear, great picture, and now suddenly it's kind of blurry. It has like a hazy film over it. Does anyone else see that, or is it just me? I've already added the superfood blend. I call it a chocolate orgasm because it's so good. Hi, Nikki. Good morning. I'm about to go grocery shopping. I will be getting something cool, Lori. The chocolate superfood blend is the base of it, and it makes the whole shake. Everything else I do is just optional, and sometimes I add nothing. Sometimes I add stuff like I am today. So for those of you that want the base of this that makes the whole thing so chocolate orgasm-like, just send me a message. I'll send you the direct link. Haha, I see it, but dude, your energy is doing it. Thanks, Lori. That's cute. Let's see here. Do I want to add anything else? A handful of greens, maybe? I think I do. A handful of greens. So good. Big fistful. I'm going to do 2 handfuls. 2 fistfuls. Tons of greens. Can't have too many greens. A really cool thing about dark leafy greens is that they don't have a tapering effect. The more you eat, the more health benefits you get. Every other food has a tapering effect. Your body can only absorb and digest so much in one sitting, and then it tapers off. With greens, the more you eat, there's no tapering effect. That's pretty neat. Plus, it's not possible to gain weight eating greens. Just not possible, period. Hi, Jackie. Good morning. Hi, Karen. Good morning. Okay, time to blend this up and enjoy it and have a foodgasm over it, because this is the chocolate orgasm every time. Hi, Lisa Marie. Very nice to see you. Good morning. I always do a little dance when it's blending. So you get a full show here, a dance and everything. Hi, Sherry. Hi, Deanne. Good morning, ladies. Nice to see you. All right, here's my chocolate orgasm. I'll have one for you, live. Damn it. That's good. Every morning, that is so good. What bag? I don't see a bag in the backdrop. I don't know what you're talking about. This wasn't in the camera, but I got this bag. That's my superfood shake blend. The reason why I don't put that link in my description area usually is because anytime you post something on Facebook that takes people away from Facebook, so basically a link that is anywhere other than Facebook, then Facebook dings you for it. They don't expose that thread to as many people in the newsfeed. They punish you for it. So it's like, Facebook, you're a real dick. As much as we love Facebook, they're also a beast at the same time. So that's why I say things like, that's one reason I should say why I say things like, private message me, I'll send you the direct link. You know what I'm saying? And then you'll know what to purchase, where you'll be using exactly what I'm using. And I've been drinking it, and full disclosure, I've been selling it for years. So you'll also be supporting me if you decide to try it. What you put in your smoothie, the chocolate orgasm, that's okay. What's the name of it? Okay, so what all goes into it? Most of the time, it's just the shake mix. Deanne and anyone else listening, it's just the shake mix and water or nut milk. So it's really easy. And I'll put it into a blender bottle like this, and it's got the little ball thing on the bottom so that you just shake it for 5 seconds and it's good to go. And sometimes, especially on live feed, it just makes a more interesting video. I'll add stuff to it, and the basic things that I typically add to it when I do add is going to be frozen pineapple chunks, and from there it'll vary up. It'll, I don't know, maybe frozen berries, maybe a fistful of dark leafy greens, a drop of cinnamon bark oil. Some days I'll put a tablespoon or so of chia seeds in there, which is really good. It makes it like a chocolate pudding substance. Some days I've put peanut butter or PB2, which is just the protein of peanut butter without the oil. What else have I done? I've done peppermint extract before, and it tastes like a giant York peppermint patty. A banana or a frozen banana is really good. So many different options. It's all pretty good. I've even put pumpkin pie spice in it, and pumpkin pie flesh, and nutmeg and all kinds of stuff. Many, many options. Hi Centauria, good morning. But I'll send you a link, Deanne, and you can try it out. And anybody else that's interested, just ask me for the link and I'll send it to you. Or maybe I'll test it out and I'll put it in the description area anyway. Or maybe, I know what I'll do. This will be a bit outside of the box. Instead of putting it in the description area, I'll reply to your comment in this thread with the link. Maybe I'll try that out. We'll see how that works out. See if Facebook dings me for it. Facebook can be kind of a dick. All right, give me 2 seconds to rinse, 5 seconds to rinse this off. Okay, so that's pretty simple. Hi, Melissa, the goddess. That's an awesome last name. Good morning. So I'm just ending this video now. It snowed here last night. Can you freaking believe that? Even for Wisconsin, this is late in the year. Let's see if this shows it. Yeah, I guess you can see it. So yeah, even in Wisconsin, it's kind of late in the year. And look at that, the camera kind of cleared up just now. Amazing. April 4th, it snowed in Wisconsin. Well, have a great day, everybody. And if you want to talk about your health goals, your wellness goals, your fitness goals, whoops, froze there for a second. If you want to talk about your health goals, your wellness goals, your fitness goals, feel free to comment. Or you can bring it to private message if you want. Totally up to you. And on that note, I will see you guys later. Feel free to share this if you want to. And comment, keep the engagement going. I will check back on this later and I can still type back to you. Hi, Jody. Good morning. And I'm about to go now. So this will be on my page. Bye, everybody.